In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate on a GitHub repository. Collaborating on GitHub allows multiple people to work on the same project, review changes, fix bugs, and build features together without overwriting each other's work. First, open the GitHub repository you want to collaborate on. If you own the repository, you can invite other people by going to the repository page, clicking Settings, then selecting Collaborators or Manage Access. From there, enter the person's GitHub username or email address and send an invitation. If someone invited you to collaborate, check your GitHub notifications or email, then accept the invitation. Once accepted, you will be able to access the repository based on the permission level given to you. Before making changes, it is best to create a new branch. A branch lets you work on updates separately from the main version of the project. Click the branch menu, type a new branch name, and create it. Use a clear name such as fix-login-error or add-contact-page. Now make your changes. You can edit files directly on GitHub or clone the repository to your computer and work locally using a code editor. After making changes, commit them with a clear message that explains what you updated. For example, write fixed login button issue instead of something vague like changes. Next, open a pull request. A pull request lets other collaborators review your changes before they are added to the main branch. Add a short description explaining what you changed and why. Team members can then comment, suggest edits, approve the pull request, or request changes. Once everything looks good, the pull request can be merged into the main branch. Collaborating this way keeps the project organized, protects the main code, and makes teamwork easier. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.